I've just got a question. Somebody's on YouTube. Can you believe it? We've got somebody on YouTube that's asked us a question. Does everyone have access? Chris, you can have this one. Are you ready? Does everyone have access to companies through an apprenticeship in manufacturing, or are there other routes into your organisation?
I think there's...
Do I have to go through an apprenticeship?
You don't have to, no.
Right, okay.
But what we do, we prefer people to, but
Right,
it's not.
okay.
It depends what the skill is and where they're working.
Okay. Why would you prefer them to come through an apprenticeship as to oppose just come as an hourly paid
Well, once again,
employee?
it depends. If you're doing a skill job like Matt's doing, it's something that really you've got to do an apprenticeship.
Yeah.
If you're working on the shop floor where you're bolting bits together, you don't need to.
Right,
So there are two options, really.
Right, so it depends
on the job.
It depends how techie you want to get and how quickly you want to progress your career, I suppose. So an apprenticeship route, you're still kind of learning, aren't you, with an apprenticeship?
You
so you get better learning through an apprenticeship.
I think for me, it's all about attitude. If somebody comes and wants a job, then that's fine. If somebody comes and wants an apprenticeship, then that's great. But some of our best guys haven't gone through an apprenticeship route. They've come and asked for a job because they're good at working with their hands. School's not for everybody. I certainly didn't like it. And I think you can come out of the academic system and find that you're a lot more intelligent than what school makes you out to be, because you're just pretty good at working with your hands. So our production leader's been with us 9 years. He'd kill me if I put him through an MVQ or apprenticeship. It's just not his thing. He don't want to be sat in a room full of people. He'll learn and he'll learn as much as he can from people like myself in his leadership role. Whereas Jess finished her MVQ and then went on to find out about a level 4 in procurement, but she came with all the information and said, I'd really like to do this, but it's going to cost this. I couldn't not have put her through it because she'd had some vavavoom and gone out and got that info and wanted to go on to progress herself.
So that's interesting. Sometimes you can maybe join an organisation and go on then to do something apprenticeship or go on to do some further learning there. So the important thing is finding somewhere that's interesting, you like to work.